So we think that this investment from HIG Capital is going to be important for Mobileum, and it will help us accelerate our growth in three main avenues. The first one is that this will allow us to accelerate some of our R&D investments in key areas such as assurance, risk management, roaming management, but also in the testing space. The second one is that this will also allow us to grow not only organically but also inorganically, and look for companies that share the same vision that we have in terms of, and to allow to accelerate and capture that vision together with them. And the third thing is that this is going to be important also to build strong teams around some of the projects that we have, and we strongly believe that this is the way to grow and to grow sustainably with our customers.
Essentially, if you think about the analytics problem, it starts with data, right? So how do you get access to data, streaming, batch, interfacing with the new age technology as well as old. So Mobileum's platform, the Active Intelligence platform, essentially has ability to ingest data from various kind of data sources. It has, the traditional ETL, looking at streaming data, looking at, when there is a 5G slices and there are multiple core networks running or slices running, all of us, together. You want to be able to not only receive data but be able to compartmentalize, segment them, tag them, and make it available for that individual segment, individual slice, individual operator, or even for, as far as the group operator is concerned, across group operators, right? And you want to be able to take care of, all the privacy related issues, where some information can be used by anybody in the organization, and some information is only available to privileged people, and some information should never be recorded but should be aggregated and then stored. So Mobileum essentially also has technology to pseudonymize that particular data set, being able to anonymize it, being able to aggregate it at the time of ingestion and in subsequent pipelines.
Now, what makes our solution, the Mobileum Service Assurance solution, unique is very simple. From a coverage perspective, we have the ability to, inject active tests, mimicking the behavior of all sorts of different types of customer verticals, as we discussed. And we combine that with our ability to do real-time monitoring of the network traffic, and we can correlate between the two, such that you can have both a passive approach, you get informed of what's happening in the network in real time, but you also have a proactive approach by injecting active tests on demand. So that's unique. There is no other solution in the market that features this capability and the correlation between the active and the passive domain.
So Mobileum has deep experience around the world with our probes and analytics tools deployed in a whole variety of networks. And it's that experience and the ability to understand the traffic, to interpret it, to look at the signatures of traffic that enables us to see whether attacks are taking place or not. And we take advantage of that experience, together with our experience in the signaling firewall domain as well, to be able to offer a comprehensive cybersecurity offering, using and leveraging the probes that we have and the software experience and the learnings from multiple networks to ensure that networks are fully protected.
Now, if you look at the overall Mobileum strategy, which leads to its strength, is that the products are linked together. When the customer comes into the Mobileum ecosystem and start investing in learning how to use one of our products, it will become more easier and easier for them to expand from that product and into other areas of the business. And given that Mobileum really has a capability to plug into our platform both the business side of the CSP as well as the engineering network side of the CSP, it gives a huge benefit for the different operational environments within the service provider base to adopt more and more Mobileum solutions.